Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope all are fine. We are going to see writing skill, standard 5, writing skill, first chapter, comprehension. Chapter 1, comprehension. Let us read out the first para. Comprehension means understanding a paragraph or passage by reading it carefully. So, comprehension means what? Understanding a paragraph or a passage by reading it. We have to read the passage carefully. A short paragraph is given with the few questions at the end of it to be answered. Okay, so they give the short paragraph. We have to read it carefully. We have to understand the passage, and then below there are some questions, 5 to 6 questions they give. We have to answer, search the answers from that paragraph. It is necessary to read the passage at least twice. So when you read the passage, you have to read carefully and you have to read at least twice, and you have to understand the paragraph before attempting to answer the questions based on it. Therefore, a comprehension is based on the skill of reading and understanding. Listen carefully. Thus, therefore, a comprehension is based on the skill of reading and understanding. That means whatever passage they give, they all are unseen. They are not from the English book. They are unseen passages. So, the first passage they have given about Santa Eknath. Okay, Santa Eknath, who was a Sant. Okay, so they have given about him, and there are some questions below the paragraph. We have to read the passage carefully, and then we have to answer the following questions. So dear friends, likewise they have given altogether 5 paragraphs. Okay, behind there are also paragraphs. 5 they have given with the answers, and rest all they have given for us as an exercise, and below there are questions. 3 paragraphs they have given without answers. Okay, so dear students, let us read out the first paragraph. Sant Eknath was a great poet. He used his writings to guide people. In those days, learned men wrote only in Sanskrit, but Eknath wrote in Marathi, so that common people could understand the scriptures easily. He works won the respect of the great men of learning and at the enjoyable poems that carry a message or a teaching. Though these devotional songs are sung even today, Sant Eknath's memory will live with people forever. So all men those days all men used to write in Sanskrit, but only the person Eknath was writing in Marathi. So likewise, dear students, you have to read passage carefully, understand each and every word. Okay, and then there are given questions. There are altogether 5 questions. I will read out the questions. Who was Sant Eknath? What was his work? So first answer is in first line. Sant Eknath was a great poet. He used his writings to guide people. Okay, what was his work? His work was to guide people. So likewise we have to search the answers. Okay, and then you will have to write. These are the unseen passages. So dear students, read the passage carefully, and then you have to answer it. Understand the passage, and then you will get the answers easily. So we have seen the comprehension. What is comprehension? Dear students, now you have come to know the comprehensions. If you want, I will read out again. Comprehension means understanding a paragraph. Okay, passed by reading it carefully. A short paragraph is given with the few questions at the end of it to be answered. Okay, they give the short paragraph, and with that short paragraph they give us a little or a few questions. We have to answer it. It is necessary to read the passage at least twice. Okay, we must read the passage at least twice before answering the questions based on it. Therefore, her comprehension is based on the skill of reading and understanding. So, dear students, when you get the passage, what you have to do it? First, you have to read it, understand it, then go for the questions. Then you read the questions and then you have to find out the answers. So, today we have seen the comprehension. Read carefully all 3 pages and then read the questions and then go for the answers. Few comprehension unseen passages have given the answers also, but there are few 2 to 3 paragraphs which has got no answer. So dear friends, read carefully and solve the answers. Thank you.